go through the chapter 5, that is quadratic equations. What do you know about quadratic equations? A quadratic equation is an equation varying with the variable x. It is in the general form ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers. It can be variable, and the coefficient of x square, that is a, should not be equals to 0, because for suppose if a is equals to 0, then what we get? Bx plus c is equals to 0. That means it gives a straight line or else a linear equation. Now let's see some examples where we use quadratic equations. For example, if we launch a rocket, it will go in a forward direction initially, then it takes a curved path. So to find the maximum distance the rocket has reached, we use the concept of quadratic equations, because quadratic equations, when we take it in graph way, it forms a parabola. Just imagine banana. So what happens? The banana, shape of the banana is in curved path. So it is also a quadratic equation. And manam usual ga Angry Birds game aadtam. So whenever we put that angry bird in an angle, అంటే for example if 45 degrees పెట్టామనుకోండి, అది curved path తీసుకుంటుంది. Suppose if we take a straight direction, then it takes the shortest distance, అంటే some straight line లో వస్తుంది. So if we want to reach the maximum distance when we throw an object, then if we take the parabolic path, it reaches maximum height. If we go with further examples in quadratic equations, we have satellite dish, reflexive mirror, convex and concave lens in spectacles, and the artificial satellite revolving around the earth. While we are playing football, if we kick a football, to reach the goal, it takes a parabolic path. Now let us consider the formation of quadratic equation. If we take an example, a girl has taken a square sheet. We don't know the side, we'll take it as x. She has cut the squares of 9 centimeters from all the 4 corners. Now we are left out with the 4 sections. Now the girl folded all the 4 sections to form an open box whose volume is 144 centimeter cube. Now to find the value of x, here after cutting the square of 9 centimeters, we are left out with x minus 18, because here we have cut 9 and also 9. So it is x minus 18 into the height of the box is, it is same as square side, that is 9, x minus 18 into 9 into, and the width is also x minus 18. So x minus 18 into 9 into x minus 18 is equals to 144. On solving the equation, we get a quadratic equation. In the previous example, we formed a quadratic equation. Now we'll check the methods of finding the roots. First method is factorization, second method is forming the perfect square method, and the third one is using the direct formula. Coming to factorization method, let us take the general equation x square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. For finding the root, first find the product of constant term, that is c, and coefficient of x square, that is a. We get the product ac. After that we need to split by taking the use of ac, split the middle term. Now we will go with the second method, that is forming a perfect square method. Whenever it is not possible to use factorization method, we go with second method. If we convert the given quadratic equation to the form a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is equals to a plus b whole square. If we can convert to this form, then it is possible to write it in a plus b whole square form. Coming to third method, that is using the formula. Here let the equation be ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. To find the value of x, that is finding the roots, we have a formula x is equals to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a, where a is not equals to 0 and b square minus 4ac is called as delta. As we have discussed the methods of finding the roots, now we will go with nature of roots. If b square minus 4ac, that is discriminant greater than 0, we get real and unequal roots. and the curve touches the x-axis at two distinct points. If delta, that is b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, then we get real and equal roots. So, the curve touches, as the roots are equal, the curve touches the x-axis at only one point. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, we get complex roots. The curve does not touch x-axis because we get imaginary roots. If we give a glance with exercises, in exercise 5.1, we check whether they are quadratic equations or not and also form the quadratic equations. Coming to exercise 5.2, we use factorization method to find the roots. And coming to exercise 5.3, as for the given questions, factorization method is not possible, we go with perfect square method. And coming to exercise 5.4, we find the nature of roots using discriminant and also roots.